If you're not where you want to be right now, let's find somebody who's already getting the results you want, a coach, a mentor, a YouTube channel. Let's start practicing and taking action on the habits they're doing on a regular basis, and let's stay consistent over the long haul. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video. And today I wanted to talk about habits. When it comes to having success in your business, finances, relationships, your eBay, your Amazon business, it all comes down to the little tiny habits that we practice on an everyday, regular, consistent basis. So many times I see people giving up and quitting when they're so close to success. A lot of times we feel like the results have to come instantly in order for us to be successful. And the truth is, really, at the end of the day, it's about doing the little tiny things, the boring, the mundane, the little things in our life that don't really seem to be having much of an impact over 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 2 years. These things make the difference between the winners and the losers. The people who are making, $50,000 a month versus $50 a month. It's the people who are able to eventually quit their job and start their own business versus the people who give up after 30 days and, they're working their job that they hate for the rest of their lives. Success comes down to the little, tiny, boring, mundane tasks of our everyday lives. If you want to become successful, the best advice I can give you is find somebody who's already getting the results that you want and figure out exactly what it is they're doing. You want to become great at dancing salsa? Let's figure out what successful salsa dancers are doing. They're probably taking group classes a couple times a week. They're dancing socials maybe 3 times a week. Maybe they have a coach. Let's start to figure out a couple things that these successful people are doing because they're not special. I'm not special. He's not special. She's not special. All the people who are getting the results you want, there's nothing special about them. They're just doing the little tiny rituals every single day. They're immersing themselves into habits that are creating success. So if you want to be successful, start doing things that successful people are doing. And you don't have to do it for 5 hours, 10 hours a day. Even just a little habit of 10 minutes a day can absolutely change the trajectory of your life over 6 to 12 months. So the main message I want to get across right now is if you're not where you want to be right now, let's find somebody who's already getting the results you want, a coach, a mentor, a YouTube channel. Let's start practicing and taking action on the habits they're doing on a regular basis, and let's stay consistent over the long haul. That's the recipe for success. So with that being said, hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.